Welcome back to Algo Traders Program ATP from Market Secrets. This is episode 30 of this series, and in this episode we are going to learn about placing orders through bot. So that's our topic for discussion today. So let's get into the scripting part and see how to place orders through bot. So this is the sample entry order trading script for option selling for one side of the leg, which is C option. So let's get into every single part of the code to understand it better. So this is actually the script that we use to place orders. So let's understand each part of the script in detail. So let's start with the API, which is place order. You need to use place order API to place any type of trades. That is, if you want to place any order, you need to use the place order API. As simple as that. And in order to use this API, you need to use the client object. So you need to use the client object to invoke the place order API. So here we have used client.placeOrder to call our API to place the order. And now comes the order type, and we have used N as the input here to indicate it's a normal order. There are other type of orders like MIS order for intraday orders and cover orders, but we generally use normal order, so we use the value as N here. And the next one is instrument token, which is unique for each trading symbol. So we need to first find the trading symbol for the option contract that we want to sell and provide it here. So if you want to trade any particular symbol, you need to find the relevant instrument token for that particular symbol, and then you need to feed it here. So if you want to trade on Nifty options, for each CE and PE, it'll have a different instrument token. So for every single symbol, it will be different. So this is going to be a unique identifier to identify any particular trading instrument, as simple as that. And the next one is transaction type, which is nothing but the type of order, that is whether it's a buy order or the sell order. In this case, we are taking an entry into our trading, so we need to sell an option contract. So I'm mentioning sell as the value here. You can use buy as the transaction type while placing exit order. The next one is the quantity. So how many number of trades that you want to trade. If it is an option contract, we can mention the number of lots. So 1 lot, 2 lot, 10 lot, 20 lot, or how many number of shares, 10 shares, 20, 30, 40. So that quantity that you need to pass here. So this is a straightforward thing. And the next one is price, and what price you want to sell this option contract. Here I have mentioned the value is 300. So the script will fire a sell order at a price of 300, as simple as that. And next one is disclosed quantity, which can be used if you want to mask our orders from the market. I mean, if you want to mask the visibility of our orders from the market, then you can go for this disclosed quantity. So say you're placing orders for 25 lots, but you want to show it as just one lot, then you can do it with this parameter. But there's no point in using these stuffs for lower quantity orders, so we won't play around with these values. And the next one is trigger price, which should be used while placing the stop loss order in the system. That is, what is your stop loss trigger price? That should be given here. For example, if you want the stop loss to be triggered when the price goes above 400, the trigger price should be 400, as simple as that. And the next one is validity, which is to provide lifeline of the order. So here I have passed the value as GFD, which means good for day. So which means the order will be valid till end of the trading day. If you give it as a IOC, which means immediate or cancel, which will auto cancel the order if it doesn't get executed immediately. So what type of validity this particular order has, whether it's something that needs to be immediately executed, and if not, it should be cancelled, or once you place the order, whether it should be valid throughout the day. So that parameter you need to pass here. So this will always be GFD. We don't play around this value. and the lastly variety and the tag. So variety is equal to regular and tag is equal to string, and these can be used as such as these won't as we won't be playing around with these values. So once you call this API, I mean once this part of the script gets executed, your order will be placed in your trading account automatically based on the parameters that you have passed. So a sell order for an option that is a CE option. So this instrument token actually represents a CE option contract. So a sell order, a normal sell order for an option CE contract for a one lot of bank nifty at a price of 300 will be placed in your trading account when this particular line of code gets executed. It's as simple as that. So this is how you need to place orders in your terminal through your bot. So just one line of code which will do the order placing job. So with that, we have come to end of today's episode. So if you have any queries, comments, or concerns about this episode, please leave it down in the comment section. We'll be happy to address it. We have a separate demo Telegram channel for everyone who is interested in Algo Traders Program. This is where our Algo trades and results are published on a daily basis, and this is where we share all the updates regarding ATP. Link to the channel is available in the description section of this video. Please join if you're interested. Also, we are providing real-time live feed of our Algo trades on a daily basis in our YouTube channel. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get invitation for our live sessions. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.